Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you are just starting out your journey to become a notary or you've recently become one, you are in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into the topic of the importance of mentorship for new notaries. The importance of mentorship for new notaries. Now, before we jump into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and you just don't want to miss out on this content, right? So the first thing we're going to talk about is why mentorship matters. Why mentorship matters. So as you know, if you're thinking about becoming a notary or you've become a notary, becoming a notary public is exciting, right? And it's exciting, but there is a lot to learn. I'm not going to lie about that. So having a mentor on your side can make the world of difference because mentors have been through the ropes. They've experienced different challenges. They can give you guidance. Sometimes they're tricky documents and they're complex situations and things like that. Mentors can help you kind of navigate that, right? So a mentor can be like your on the go resource. And also, let me tell you the truth, a mentor can give you insight that you won't find in a textbook. So there might be some real life scenarios that you come across that a mentor has also experienced. So that's a little bit different than what you might find in the textbook, which books are great as well. I'm an educator, lifelong educator. Okay, so let's talk about the benefits of mentorship. So, okay, what are the benefits of having a mentor if you're a new notary? First of all, it's a shortcut to learning, right? I became a notary in 2018, which is in the before times, before COVID. I was a clairvoyant, I guess, but I became a notary and a loan signing agent at that time. So I had to learn a lot on the go. I had to learn a lot for myself and stumble and fumble around, and I had to try and figure things out on my own. So what you can do if you have a mentor, you can tap into that person's expertise, right? Because it can save you time, it can reduce stress, and also it can boost your effectiveness because none of us want to be out here not knowing what we're doing, right? Second thing, second benefit to mentorship is networking. It's great to know other notaries, right? You can get introduced to other professionals, opportunities and connections that you may not have had otherwise. So that's great. The third thing is personal growth. Mentorship encourages you to set goals, to go for them. I know when I had a mastermind group, we would set goals every 2 weeks and then we would report on them because and I know that my my folks in my group, they would say, I hadn't worked on this for several days, but we're going to meet. So I've got to make sure that I have this goal accomplished, right? So, and also a mentor can kind of give you feedback on your growth and how things are going, right? So the question that is normal or that kind of is next, the logical question is, how do you find a mentor? So first of all, ding, ding, ding. If you're here, this channel is the Mobile Notary Mentor. So I also mentor folks on online notarizations. I've done primarily my work on the Notarized platform. So you are in the right place. So that's good. So that's a start. Also, if you look within your own network, I know a lot of you have been watching YouTube videos. That's a great place to start. Facebook, that's a great place to start. If you go to any industry events, any workshops, and you find people, there are groups and forums. There are places that will have folks who are willing to mentor you. Now, I would say, make sure you find someone who's knowledgeable, make sure you find someone that you vibe with, right? Because everyone's teaching style doesn't really lend itself to everyone's learning style. I'll put it that way, right? So just make sure it's someone you kind of feel a connection with and want someone you vibe with. So there are lots of places you can find mentors, but also if you're looking for a mentor, there is a new notary workshop coming up. In fact, oh my goodness, when is that workshop coming up? I had new notary workshops that I would give at least once a month. And then I decided, you know what, no more. That was a couple years ago. I think I'm going to bring them back. I'm going to bring them back. And this is going to be, for now, it's a one-time only situation. August 19th at 2023. That is our new notary workshop. It's going to be live. It's going to be in person. It's going to be interactive. It's going to be led by me. I mentioned before, I've been an educator for 25 years. I've been a notary for a number of years. So teaching and learning, that's what I know. So look for the details in the description. Enough for all that. I want to hear from you. What do you look for? What do you need from a notary mentor? What kinds of information are you looking for? Is it marketing? Is it pricing? Is it, do you need role play scenarios like we will do in the new notary workshop? What do you need? Okay. So there you have it. That's the importance of mentorship for new notaries. Remember that mentorship can accelerate your learning, it can expand your network, and make you the best notary that you can be. So thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, happy stamping. Bye.